Understanding ClickUp structure.
Listeners out there, this is a productivity platform designed for organizing tasks, projects, and workflows. Its flexible system lets you break down work into manageable pieces. At the core, ClickUp uses a hierarchy, starting with workspaces, followed by spaces, folders, lists, tasks, and subtasks. This allows teams and individuals to manage simple to complex projects, all in one customizable workspace.
The task hierarchy explained.
ClickUp's hierarchy works from broad to detailed. Workspaces house everything for your organization. Inside, you'll find spaces, which are categories like departments or teams. Folders help further organize work into projects. Lists group related tasks, and then come individual tasks and subtasks, the actionable items you work on daily. This layered system keeps things clear and structured.
Customizing task lists.
Task lists in ClickUp are highly flexible. You can create lists for anything: sprints, campaigns, or daily routines. Each task within a list can contain details like descriptions, due dates, priorities, attachments, and checklists. Using custom fields, you can add even more detail tailored to your workflow, making each list uniquely suited to your project's needs.
Managing task statuses.
ClickUp allows you to define custom statuses for every list or project. Instead of simply to do, in progress, and done, you can create stages that match your process, like waiting on approval or in review. Changing task statuses helps visualize progress at a glance and improves team communication on what's happening next.
Optimizing productivity with views.
ClickUp offers multiple customizable views for looking at your tasks. Choose from List View for a traditional outline, Board View for agile workflows, Calendar View for deadlines, or Gantt View to see dependencies and timelines. Switching between views lets you manage personal tasks or team projects in the way that works best for you.
Bringing it all together.
Using ClickUp's task hierarchies, flexible lists, customizable statuses, and multiple views, individuals and teams can design a productivity system that truly fits their needs. By organizing tasks efficiently and customizing how you work, ClickUp helps boost focus, streamline collaboration, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks.